Hello friends, this is Swapnil. This is another video on Neobucks where they give me 37 cents in just few of seconds. Actually, today I'm just coming here in the morning and I just saw the few of advertisement. As you can see here, the view advertisement section, and just I thought why don't complete the first survey and then click on the ads. So I'm come here, and as you see here, this is the pole fish survey completed. So before that message appears like this, 37 cents are available here, and I'm just clicking on that, and I'm after a few of seconds just clicking some, the survey is like they're asking me some kind of the questions, so I'm giving that answer. And some of reasons, actually the website pages are not moving properly, so I'm going to my extension and just that the tab of ad blocks I am adding, just once again I was just put it off here, and again coming that particular survey page. But of course, if you do not at a time, before starting the survey site, if you don't off that extensions, or if you are already running your background like ad blockers, then the highest chance there is a higher chance your survey will be ban, or I can say you can't get any single penny. Your survey will be terminated. But for me, actually I just thought, why don't just once again just off this tab which I already installed here, the ad blocks. So I am close this window, and well, I am again go back like this here, clicking on that, and the survey will be completed. Anyway, for now I can say this is 37 cents, and I'm just got here. So this is the 4 stars, 5 star, and I'm just clicking here, close the survey. And as you see here, this is my $15.57, and here is one of the referral. I don't know who are referring me, but this guy is maybe not working after the registration in just a few of clicks, like he only clicks on 7 advertisements, and maybe he don't got the survey, or don't working there. I don't know what's happened, but always remember, if you are sign up using my referral link, always click on that view advertisement sections and complete all the advertisements, and that's how you will be got a paid survey, and you will be got a real cash online. Okay, so basically I just here the refresh, reload this page, and that's how you can see here my updated 37 balance here. Okay, so I'm clicking here and see 15.93 cents, $15.93 are available in our account. So well, here's the advertisement section, and how you can make here a huge money. It's not the huge money, actually it's a kind of the extra cash money where you can utilize for your expenses, your daily expenses. So see, this is the view advertisement section, and you just need to come here, click like that with the red dot, and the advertisement will be appear here, and just after this orange color will be completed in this O section, Neobucks O. You just need to click here the close. But here, as you see here, this is the actually funny ads sometimes comes. Why is it numerities, and well so well, anyway, so it's a fun to make extra money online if you have a time. It not actually takes guys more than 5 minutes. I don't think so it takes more than 5 minutes to complete all over the ads, because as per my knowledge, since I am joining here, only available 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, not more than the 10 ads, and it worth actually the individual ads. If you see here, the only 1 penny are the worth it. But the reason behind that, you need to come here and always saw that just because of doing this, you will be got a proper survey like the CPX survey they will send you. um, of course, even if you are not clicking here, you will be got, but the high this is the lowest chance you will be succeed on that surveys, because Nearbox team always figure out how you are working here. Are you working properly or not? Are you using mouse? Because here the requirement is you need a mouse and computer, and with a good internet connection you will be can start here, make extra money online. And the main part about this website is you can here withdraw your currency via PayPal, AirTM, Payeer. Payeer is not available here, but hold 1 second. I am just clicking here to complete this all of the ads. That's how you will be realize how I make extra money online and how much it's worth it. Even I'm showing you the 1 penny, but after refreshing you will be notice how things are going here. So just remaining the one ad, and where we are talking about the payment method. Yeah, so payment method here they available in Bankwire to Skrill, Neteller is available also. And the main part about that website is you can withdraw this your whole amount as a part of fiat currency instead of cryptocurrency too. Yes, you heard right. You can see this is the refresh. I'm clicking here, and this balance is updated. So now what we have $15, almost a $16, that is a $15.94. So well, I'm just clicking here my section of that. This is my username, that is a swap AMPM, and see this is the once again we got a CPX research. As I told you, if you are completing here the view advertisement section, the all the kind of things, this is the lowest this is the very low chance. I mean, very few of cases you can't got the surveys, but the most of the time you will be definitely got the here survey, and they are paying survey. Okay, so I am just in front. I can't show you by recording this survey because these are the limitations of policy and regulations, so I can't show you. But of course, if I pause the video and if I click here and if I winner, then I will be got this CPX survey. But before that, I'm doing that, I would like to show my history, and that's where you will be realize how it's working. And like that, see, and few seconds, this is time of 9 point, it's a 9 o'clock and 53 minutes, and before 10 minutes ago I was got 36 cents. That's a Polefish survey. And of course, after completing this, I'm started to making that video, and still I'm recording. So well, and let's say yesterday's earning, where sometime, you know, if I'm click here and if I'm not got the survey, then they will be created in my account as a bonus. Okay, so well, I will pause my video, and clicking on this I will be show you in few seconds back. Here, as you can see, this is the watch are running already. So few seconds back what's happened I will be told you. For now I can just pause the video. Hello, I'm back here. Here the no survey are available, and well, I'm failing to, you know, in just 1 to 3 minutes I know and I realize it's not the 3 minutes too. Actually it was almost under the 2 minutes, and just clicking the few seconds and that's done here. So well, where we are actually is to showing you how it's working in this my history. So if I scroll down, as you see here, the sometime it's, if I'm not found the survey, they will be give me as a bonus here, and it's a few of cents, and it that's how I collecting cents, and you know, overall I making that the huge amount. Here are the minimum withdrawal limit is only $2 via PayPal or via ATM you can withdraw, and via PayPal too. But I'm not currently in this year, I'm just starting this website in the last, I think 1 month ago, and I know about this website since 2010, because as you see here, These are the 2008 to 2021 are running, still more than 9 to 10 years they are running, and it's a legitimate website, of course. They are not scam. The Neobox is not scam website. It's a very powerful PTC website. In just few just in the started of this 2021, it's actually the little bit changes are happen here, and that's how the Alexa rank is looks like down. But this is the very topmost paid and also watching website for advertisers and also our PTC workers too. I mean, the both are here always coming and spending time for earning so much. I mean, as a form of if PTC worker come here for working online, and as an advertiser coming here just because of they wanna advertise here. So both are the taking the profits using this Neobox platform. And the best, especially if you aren't coming here to make money online, then here are the surveys section, where actually apart from this CPX survey you will be got, as you see here, this is the $1.43 if you are completing this survey in this available region in your survey where you are living. This survey if available in your region, then you will got the $1.43. And just this they told actually the 30 minutes, but it not takes 30 minutes guys. It's undertaking almost 10 to 7 minutes. Okay. And the best part about that, if you are choosing the lowest cost of these surveys, they definitely will be give you money. It depends on, of course, the criteria, regions, but always remember there are very higher chances to they available in worldwide. Okay, because that's why Neobox is famous. And well, the remaining surveys are here, like the it's varies. You see here, this is the Pulse Fish survey, this is the your surveys, Opinion Lab survey times, and here are the surveys. So if I'm show you the once again the history, you will be realize what's and how it's actually working. So well, just I'm taking a little bit time to show you it's my history, and so you will be realize actually. If I go to the last section, it's a 5. I think I'm joining in almost the 4th. It's a more than, I think so, 1.5 to 2 months almost. Yeah, I was told you the 1 month, but it's at almost the 2 months, because I'm not actually working here properly. I'm just taking the look and going, and not daily I'm coming here. It's almost a few of time and few of seconds just coming here. Like you can see here, if I'm not got the surveys, I'm just clicking here the survey research, and I got the bonuses. Okay, so I can go to the last. That's why we know when I would join. Maybe I think just few seconds ago, before clicking here, I would like to show you some of the things. But anyway, as you see here, this is the Samplicia survey, where they give me 65 cents. Here's the 52 cents, and well, here the 70 cents too, survey time. So that's how they are giving me. And later, of course, I'm not coming here the much time. See here the 21, 23, 25, 27, date of 28, then later 1, 4. So I'm just coming here rarely if I have got free time, and then I'm coming. But definitely I'm daily coming here to click on that view advertisement section. Here, this is the section of where we need to come here the daily of the basis and complete this advertisement by watching here. Just clicking with the mouse of help and click down here the red dot and watch these ads, and which it's not the worth it, but definitely it just because of why we do that, because we need to complete the surveys, and surveys are available only for those persons who are clicking here advertisements regularly. Okay, and apart from this, you should active here. If you don't active here under 45 days, then your account will be banned. So your whatever you are earning here, it will be lost. The higher chance is your account money, whatever you are earning here, it will be lost. Anyway, apart from this, if you have any question about this now this website, then let me know. and most important part, I think I am not showing you, that is the payment. As you see here, this is the your payment section, and see, this is the payments about bank transfer, PayPal, paper check. Payment processor available in Neteller, Skrill and AirTM. And cryptocurrencies, as you can see here, the Ethereum and Litecoin already in my address. But in both currency, apart from this, if you want to add, click on this section, and then you will got such a kind of the window, and here you can add your address, and they offers you the PTC, BCH and Dash. So 3, 4, 5. So 5 of currency are available currently, cryptocurrency, but currently ETH not working. It's maybe under construction, but in Litecoin you can withdraw your currency. And what are the charges they are taking from us as a withdraw balance? So you see here, if I'm click on this your payment, and here's the AirTM account. I just would like to show you or tell you one more thing, that is, if you use AirTM, it's really great chance, it's higher chance to make more income, because here they offers a legitimate users, like whoever deposits such a kind of the any amount, then they will be got a chance to work for such kind of the transactions. I'm not deeply searching how it's working actually, because currently it's this is my first I'm newbie here in AirTM. So after this payment I will be know how it's working and how it's not. But for now I can say create a AirTM account and withdraw your balance in your account, in your bank account. See here, this is the charges are if you use that AirTM 0.16, and if you want to withdraw your balance in cryptocurrency, then click on here your payment, then again come here, click on Litecoin. If you are already address adding here, then click on Litecoin, and see here you will be got 15.94 and .16 will be deducted for the payment process. The current miner fee is 0.02. So I think my part is done. Let me know what you have a query about this Neobucks website. Almost I am giving you every single things and told about that Neobucks website, how it's working actually, and how you can make here fiat currency as well as cryptocurrency too, by doing some kind of the surveys and visiting ads. Yeah, the remaining thing is the last thing, that is the referral thing. If you are already, I am showing you how it's referral working, but I am also the not experiencing about that referral system, how it's work. But if you refer me by using my sign up link, which I give you in description box, then here are the listed such kind of this referral, and whenever you clicking on that view advertisement daily, and of course you need to click on here the daily advertisements, and that's where you will be paid, and that's where you will be got extra make money, I mean extra cash online via that Neobucks. Because if you're not click here the view advertisement, that as I told you, you can't actually, your survey is not worth it, because even if you click here, then here's a very low chance to you are succeed here, okay, by completing this survey. But if you complete here the daily advertisements, then the higher chance whatever you got a survey, they are completed. Okay, so here's the pros, cons, and everything about that Neobucks I already mentioned, and in my old videos I already mentioned some of things, but again once again I'm showing here because I just thought to tell you with a live proof, like refreshing here, and I'm just catch that Polefish survey and completing. So it's done for my site. This is the referral section. I give you a referral link, okay, and here is the if you want to give your referral link in your social media platform, then just click on this like banners, and see this is the username, and just click on that link and paste on your social media. Okay, so I give you this description box link to you can it will be helpful for you if you want to make cryptocurrency or fiat currency via this Neobox. And yeah, I will give you AirTM link too if you want to join this AirTM. And one more thing, if you don't have a wallet, even if you are beginner and if you want to make cryptocurrency but you don't know how and where to store, then I give you a link also. Some of exchanges, the best are exchanges as per my opinion is Binance and Coinbase, but I will be give you another links too if it's possible. And the lastly, here is the actually the two of both applications. It's a really interesting application that are running in my background computer. I mean, if you have a computer, Windows or Mac, you can run this both application. This is the application name is here the Honeygen, and this application name is IP Royal Network. So I'm clicking just here the right click and open this IP Royal application, but I think they are not opening. Sometime it happens whenever I recording such a kind of this video. Anyway, but remember, the both applications are they sharing your internet, and that's how they give you money. The best part about this Honeygen is you can here add up to 10 devices. I'm just showing you. And the cons about that Honeygen is here the minimum payment limit is actually the $20, and it's a huge, I mean, minimum payout limit. And of course here the whatever you are see here, $11.26, it not actual I got by sharing my internet, because of I use someone's referral code. That's why they give me a $5 as a bonus, and then later whatever I earning, the things are just sharing my internet. Okay, it's almost the $5.60 sorry $6.26. And well, if you're coming here daily and log in here, like as I already told you, just double click on here and this window will be open. Then you just need to log in. If you already log in here and by saving your password and ID, then page will like this, and here is the little bit logo come, that is the honey jar winning. And if you click the that honey jar, you will be got kind of the honey jar winnings. Like you see, today I got the 100 credits and it worth 10 credits, it worth 1 cent. Okay, yesterday I just got 10 credits, so it's sufficient for me. I'm not like the greedy person. I'm just stay calm, because it's just doing nothing. I got something amount by sharing my internet, which is already running in my I have was internet and this application running in background, so they don't interrupt me. So this is how they give me a 200 credits, 100 credits. Sometimes they give me a 50, and sometimes they give me even a 10 credits. But once again, I would like to mention here, the main part about that Honeygen is, if you are lucky, then you will be got a huge amount as a credits here, like the 10,000 credits too. Okay, I'm not the actually very happy to download this Honeygen application, but it is okay to run with instead of this IP Royal Network, because I'm happy with this IP Royal application, because here the minimum payout limit is only $1. And if you are one of them who would like to extra boost your income, then you can join this both application by signing up. I'm giving you a description box this both links. Well, I will show you IP Royal networks that my account too, where I got already payment. See, this is my current amount of payment, and I can withdraw here. Here the withdrawal limit is only $1, and you can withdraw via PayPal or Bitcoin cryptocurrency too. Okay, so that's why I like this IP Royal too. But here the Bitcoin currency, if you want to withdraw, then your minimum limit is $5 and they will take $1.5, so it's not actually worth it. But anyway, even if you are thinking it's okay to give them a charge at a $1.5, then just do that and take your cryptocurrency as a form of Bitcoin. And here are the payouts. So already I got the 1.32 cents, $32 here in the 9th of May 2021. Well, that's it for guys. I think I am done here, because my intention is just show you the how Neobox working, and it's a complete review about that in this video. Actually, I think I mentioned here the Neobox, and apart from that I give you both of these applications a little bit information too, just because of I would like to show you here how I am making I'm boost my income. So as I boosted my income by doing like extra stuffs like that, you can also do that on your PC. If you have a PC, then do that. And remember, Neobox is the website where they only giving you a PTC sites and survey. So if you are one of them who would like to spare your time, extra time to complete like surveys or visits website, then it's best for you. And these earnings are not huge, but it will be helpful for buying a coffee. So well, if you like this video, then like it and subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any query. Bye bye, take care, keep smile, keep earning.